Make a great choice today with the 2025 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.